So for my project, I went with the Northern Slate pillar panels, which are 24 inches tall, and I made to go around the 8-inch columns. These were 8-inch or half cinder blocks, so these just fit like a glove around there. We were replacing some AirStone tile faux stone pieces. It all had to be glued on individually, which took forever, and put on with construction adhesive, and they just kept falling off through the years. Finally got tired of gluing them back on and over again, and after researching this GenStone, decided to go with that. I used a handsaw cutting everything, and then it came down to had to pull this 2x4 off and then cut that with a hole saw, and then I would finish those holes off with a 2x4 with just a file to make it fit like a glove in there. So it turned out really nice. I would recommend the GenStone to anybody. Easy project. Thanks, GenStone.